is nothing smaller, and today we're going to show you how to make Spanish omelet. I'm going to dice a little bit of peppers here. I'm not going to use a lot. I'm going to use very, very little. A little bit more than this maybe. You can use red peppers if you like to get a little color in your omelet. Some people do, and some people don't. But I find that some of the people who are Mexicans, who are friends of mine, I have a Mexican girlfriend, she likes to put red peppers and green peppers and yellow peppers in hers, and with a lot of onions, and that's the way they make their Spanish omelet. That's what she says. And I loved it. Actually tastes really, really good. And you're going to take the onion too also and dice it up really small. Okay? You don't want big chunks of onion in there, because then it just pops out of the omelet. Alright? So we're going to dice that up also very, very small. So we'll have small pieces of onions and peppers ready to go.